This is Sam Create the Heart, and I am here to share a little unboxing. This is for the foiling virtual event that Pink and Main is putting out in about a month. I think it's in July. So it's still available for $85 on their website, and I highly recommend this box. I think it's very good. If you like foiling, I think that there's a lot of value in this box, not even including the classes that we're going to be doing. So I'm going to do a little unboxing. It comes in this box with this pretty tropical tape on it, and let's go ahead and get into it. So when I opened the box, I was super surprised to find an entire roll of gold chair foil, and this is, I don't forget how much you get. Usually it's a lot of foil. 12 feet? I don't know. But anyway, it's a lot of foil. And I like their foil a lot. Oh, this is lime, actually, not gold. But it is a tad bit thicker than regular foil. I find it a lot easier to work with. I also think it foils beautifully. The peach foil, I think, is my absolute favorite. I use it as like a neutral. And it's amazing. So I got a whole roll of that as soon as I opened the box, and I was like, what? We also have it in this cool Pink and Main mesh bag. All the goodies are in here. So let me go ahead and pull everything out. And remember that this is right now on their website for $85, and I think it's a great value. So you get that, and then in the mesh bag, let's go into everything that is in there. First of all, there is this stencil. So we get this full-sized, I don't want to say full-size, I guess it's 6 1/4 by 8 1/2 stencil. So I'm going to assume that we'll be using that in the class. And then we have this Pink Paradise pattern papers. So we get an entire pack of their paper, and it's 24 sheets, 8 1/2 by 5 1/2. So when you cut them at 4 1/4, then you get 2 for each page. Really pretty. And we also get some foilable sheets, and these are pretty big. This is the 8 1/2 by 5 1/2. So if you foil them all at one time, then you'll get like 2 for an A2 size card. You can do 2 for each. And so we get a whole bunch of these that we can foil in different colors. And then we also get a second set of foilable sheets. So 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and there are 8 of them in here, but you could get 16 A2 size cards. So we get that. And then we also get the Foiling in Paradise color toner sheets. So basically, they're really good for and 1/2 of all of these different colors that we get to try out during the class. And these will be really good also for these foilables. So we get 8 of these, and then you foil over those. You could color them or just leave them foiled. And then we also get these ephemera pieces that you can then foil. Exclusive foilables cut-ups. And so they're already cut out for you. Different tags and images that you could put on cards or packages. Really cute. And then we get a whole pack of sequins. And then there are 2 of these. These are, I don't know what you call them, but these are like acetate little domes that you could then do shakers with. And we also get some glossy gel, a whole sample. This is a sample, but it's pretty big. And then we get this little mini Foil It paint and splatter. So you can use this to splatter or to paint different images, and then you could foil over that. And so that is what we got in our kit. I think it's a great value. If you're interested at all in foiling, this is going to be just really, I just dropped something, dang it. This is going to be a lot of fun, and I think that there's going to be just so many different techniques, but I think that the value that you get in your kit is really, really good. And I would say that I've been pleased with every kit that I've gotten from Pink and Main. Has just been chock full of beautiful supplies. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane with the Heart.